Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja Shekhar. I'm a fashion designer and an illustrator. So if you're new to my channel, I make fashion related videos on my channel. So if you're interested, you can subscribe. So let's get into this video. In this video, we are making a collection of bandhani outfits. So for that, I'm looking for a nice bandhani print that I want on the outfit. So I am looking for some different types of bandhanis here. So first is this ombre effect bandhani with a border like design. So whatever I'm liking here, I'm downloading them. So I want some different styles in this, some typical bandhani colors and some different unique colors, which are some western colors also. So bandhani is a very beautiful Indian handcrafted fabric where each and every knot will be knotted using hands, and every artisan will sit for hours to make those knots, and then it will be dyed. So then we can see such beautiful bandhani print. So I just love this print actually, and the story behind this print, the whole process is so fascinating to achieve. So I am thinking of a very beautiful Indo-Western or Western sort of an collection using this print or using this style. So as you can see, I have downloaded as many as I want. So I'm planning 4 or 5 outfits. 4 will be fine. So firstly, you can see I am drawing the outline of the outfit. So for if you're new here, so let me tell you, I'm using Autodesk Sketchbook or Sketchbook application on Samsung Tab. So you can see it is a very easy tool for fashion illustration. You can use this application on your Android phones as well. So now you can see I have inserted the image that we have downloaded, and I have created a pattern out of it so that it can accommodate all the outfit. And if you're wondering how I am sketching all these things, then you must check out the videos in the description box. I have created a whole series of fashion illustration using Sketchbook app, and especially for people who use this app in Android phones. So this is a very handy app, and you can easily create whatever sketch or whatever fashion illustration that you want. So yeah, using this application, I am drawing this paneled dress first. So it's like a kali dress, which is very beautiful and quite trending these days. And then here comes our second dress. For this, I'm using this ombre bandhani, which has border also. And this is a beautiful cottagecore sleeveless dress. This is a very cute silhouette, and for this I have chosen this ombre print, and I have almost completed drawing this. And as I always tell you, Autodesk Sketchbook or Sketchbook is very useful if you are a beginner, and if you are already familiar with this application, then you can create wonders using this application. And on my channel, I usually talk about applications or tools that people can use even if they do not have particular devices. For example, Procreate is such app which you can create, which you can use only if you have an iPad. And I want to give some solutions to such problems, and Autodesk Sketchbook is one of them. And in my channel, I am actually looking for a lot of other applications also that you're going to see in future, where I will help you create fashion design, fashion illustrations, which you can create on your Android phone or your Windows. And now I'm working on the third silhouette, and I have added a sleeve, a balloon sort of a sleeve for the same silhouette. And for this, I'm using this black bandhani. And my thought behind this collection is creating some fusion outfits. I mean, bandhani is such an Indian ethnic coded print that we can only imagine saris or suits or lehengas from it. But I am trying to do something a little different by giving it a dress sort of a collection, where I want to draw some beautiful evening gowns or dresses. And the third silhouette is almost done, and I'm just giving a little details here and there. Okay, the third silhouette is almost done. So after this, I want to plan the fourth silhouette and the last silhouette in this collection. So for this, I'm thinking of a corset style dress maybe. So I want to add a nice corset like detail, and for the bottom, I'm thinking of layered dress. So beautiful 2-layered maxi dress. So this silhouette is something which we cannot imagine in bandhani, I feel. So for this, I am going to do this tie-dye bandhani. This looks very modern and very versatile to me. So I have added this as the print. So the concept of this collection is simple. I have selected handcrafted traditional Indian fabric, and I'm trying to make a westernized or an Indo-Western fusion outfits using this print, so that I can balance the culture as well as style in this. So by this I'm almost done with the fourth silhouette as well. Okay, so now let us look at the outfits one by one and let's see how it turned out. First is this beautiful panel dress, and then comes the cottagecore dress and with the slave black dress and this beautiful layer dress. Now you can see how beautiful the whole collection is looking, and let me know if I have succeeded in creating a beautiful fusion outfits using Indian handcrafted fabric. Now let's turn these sketches into real outfits and see how this collection is going to look. Look at them, how beautiful they are looking. And if you want to know how did I created these images using my sketches, then please do check out the description box. I have made a complete tutorial on this, and let me know in the comments below what do you think about this collection. And if you find this video useful or informative, then please do not forget to like this video, and for more such fashion related content, subscribe to my channel.